Good morning, students of class 4. My name is Rajesh, and I'm going to continue with the same chapter. The same chapter which I have taught you yesterday. This is the chapter number 9. Don't be afraid of the dark. And the poet of the poem, it's written by Ruskin Bond. It's written by Ruskin Bond. Who is the poet of the poem? इस कविता को लिखने वाले कवि का क्या नाम है? रस्किन बॉन्ड. Everybody, please look carefully. Don't be afraid of the dark by Ruskin Bond. What do you mean by afraid? Now, let me start with the word meaning first. Look here, students. What do you mean by afraid? Afraid means to fear. Afraid means fear, dar. Okay, darna. What do you mean by dark? Dark means no light, having no light, no light. यानी कि अंधेरा. Okay. So don't be afraid of the dark. यानी अंधेरे से मत डरो. Don't be afraid of the dark. Don't have a fear of the dark. Okay, and it's written by Ruskin Bond. Sorry. Yeah. Now let us begin. Let me explain you. Let me read the poem first. Okay. Now look at your book, everybody. Look at your book. Open your book and look at your book, students. Yeah. Now look at your book, please. Don't be afraid of the dark. बेटा pronunciation पे ध्यान देना. Look carefully and listen carefully to the pronunciation. How to pronounce? कैसे pronounce करते हैं? Don't be. Don't. What do you mean? Don't is the short form. Look here. What do you? What is the full form of don't? D-O-N-T. Don't. It means do not. Don't means do not be afraid of the dark. Okay, students. I hope you understand the title of the poem. Means the meaning of the title of the poem means children, do not be afraid of the dark. बच्चों अंधेरे से मत डरना. Okay, fine. Now this is your poem. Now let us see. Don't be afraid of the dark. Let me start with the poem. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. This is the thing you have to read. आपको इसे पढ़ना है. You have to read and learn the poem. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rise when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. I am repeating again and again. Try to listen carefully. अगर बार बार सुनोगे बेटा तो आपको ये याद करने में आसानी होगी. Okay? It will help you in learning the poem. Okay? In reciting the poem and in learning the poem. So students, look carefully and listen carefully. Okay. Now again I'm repeating. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Okay. Now let me explain the first paragraph of the poem written by Ruskin Bond. Here the poet Ruskin Bond is discussing or talking with one small children. He's बातें कर रहा है. Oh, the poet is discussing with a small child. He is saying that small child, that little one, little boy, little girl, don't be afraid of the dark. अंधेरे से मत डरो. Don't have a fear of darkness, because I hope everyone, सारे बच्चे, everyone might be having a fear of the dark. When there is no light, you get frightened. आप डर लग जाता है जब घर पे लाइट नहीं रहती हो या अंधेरा होता है. But here the poet Ruskin Bond is requesting, or he is asking the children not to have a fear of the dark. Okay, not to have fear of the dark. Means don't need to be afraid of the dark. Okay, the earth must take rest when the day is done. When the day is over, when the sun set, when the sunlight or when the sun set in the west, सूर्य जब पश्चिम में डूब जाता है, यानी डूबता है, उगता है, means when the sun sets in the west, the earth must take rest. Not only the earth, here you can say earth means earth का मतलब creatures, human beings, animals. Okay, it has been referred. यहाँ पे earth किसको कहा गया है? The living creatures of the earth. Look here, students. In earth there are creatures, जीव जंतु. Creatures means जीव जंतु. Like, so here the poet he is saying that the earth means the creature must take rest when the day is over. When the day is over. Students ध्यान से देखिएगा, सुनिएगा ध्यान से. कवि ये कह रहा है कि दिन ढलने के बाद पृथ्वी को आराम करना चाहिए. मीन्स पृथ्वी मीन्स व्हाट? क्रिएचर्स लिविंग ऑन द अर्थ, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, वी ऑल, हमें रेस्ट करना चाहिए. Okay, now the sun must be harsh, but the moonlight never. Yes, during daytime we can't take rest. We are not able to take rest. We can't sleep because the sunlight is very harsh. Harsh का मतलब होता है कठोर बेटा. Harsh means कठोर, extremely unfavorable condition. Harsh, unfavorable condition. Okay, so here the poet is trying to explain that students, don't be afraid of the dark, and the earth must take rest when the day is over. It is very important for the night to come. Very important for the night to come. If there is no night, then no one will sleep. We will not be able to sleep because if there is no night, there will be no moonlight. अगर दिन अंधेरा नहीं होगा तो चांदनी रात नहीं होगी, हम सो नहीं पाएंगे. Yes, so here the poet is trying to explain that students or children, it is very important for the night to come. Okay, after the day is over. After the day is over, it is very important. बहुत आवश्यक है कि अंधेरा आए, दिन ढलने के बाद अंधेरा आए, so that all the creatures living on the earth or the whole world can take rest, can sleep. The sun might be very harsh, but the moonlight never. Yes, during daytime, when you wake up in the morning, oh, you go to toilet, you brush your teeth, you take bath, you wear your uniforms, take your school bag, tiffin, and you come into the bus, you come to school, you get studying the whole day, playing and studying with the friends, with books and chatting with friends. Whole day we are busy with doing our own work. सारे दिन हम अपना काम करते हुए बीत जाता है, but we don't get time to take rest. Even when we go back from school, we put off our school uniform, wear our civil uniform, then we have our lunch, then again our homework, all those things. So here the poet he is saying that ये सारा काम करने के बाद अगर इंसान थक जाता है तो उसे आराम करने के लिए समय चाहिए. So it is very important for the night to come so that we can sleep peacefully. And not only this, you can see here the poet has mentioned about the stars, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. The stars with stars न डूबता है न उगता है, वो दिन में भी चमकता है. But the star even shines in during daytime. दिन में भी तारे दिखते हैं बेटा, लेकिन तारे इसलिए नहीं दिखते हैं, तेज सूरज की तेज रोशनी की वजह से. So you can hear the poet is saying that the stars twinkling in the sky will give us light and hope. Will give us light and hope. Now let us see the second stanza. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to be fear. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to be fear. Just let your thoughts travel to your friends far and near. By day it does seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Yes, here the poet is trying to explain or trying to describe that he is trying to inform you that don't be afraid of the dark. Be friend with the dark. दोस्ती करो, अंधेरे से दोस्ती करो. Make a friendship with the dark so that you can sleep peacefully. And if you are just let your thoughts during night, अंधेरे में जब आप अकेले सो रहे हो, तो don't think about the night. Think about your friends far and near. अपने दोस्तों के बारे में सोचो. Think about what you are going to dream or what you will dream, how you are going to sleep. So you don't need to be afraid of the dark. The poet he is saying that अंधेरे से मत डरो बेटा. जब अंधेरा होता है तो आप अपने दोस्तों के बारे में सोचो. होमवर्क उसने किया होगा, नहीं किया होगा, जो दूर के दोस्त हैं, फार एंड नियर, जो भी आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, ट्राई टू थिंक अबाउट देम. ओके, नॉट ओनली दिस, बाय डे इट सीम्स दैट आवर ट्रबल्स वोंट सीज. मींस यहाँ पे इस लाइन का कहने का मतलब है कि व्हेन In the morning, our minds are busy with hurry and worries. We are busy with every work. And it seems that our work will never end. Look here, students, what do you mean by cease? Cease means coming to an end. Cease means coming to an end, means an end. अंत किसी चीज का अंत means by day. During daytime our work doesn't end. हमारा काम खत्म नहीं होता है during daytime, but so we can't take rest during daytime. Here the poet is saying that students, there will be lots of work during daytime. When you get up in the morning, as I have mentioned, that आप जगते हो, uniform, you brush your teeth, everything means from morning till evening during daytime, your work never ends. Your work never ends. आपका आपके कार्य का कोई अंत नहीं होता है. आप कोई ना कोई काम करते रहते हैं. So it is very important for the night to come. When the night comes, no problem. आपको बहुत सारा काम भी होगा, but it is you are mentally prepared that now it is night, I should take rest. आप mentally prepared रहते हो कि अब अंधेरा हो गया, अब मुझे सो जाना चाहिए, so that I can regain my energy which I have wasted in the whole day. जो पूरे दिन में मैंने अपनी एनर्जी को वेस्ट किया है, right? The energy which I have utilized in working, studying, reading and dancing, playing, ये सब काम करते वक्त जो भी हम अपना काम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, yes, जो भी हम अपना काम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं या काम करते करते अपनी एनर्जी को जो हमने वेस्ट किया है, वी कैन रीगेन मीन्स हम दोबारा उसे प्राप्त कर सके. देन देयर इज ओनली वन थिंग दैट हाउ वी कैन रीगेन आवर एनर्जी, बाय हैविंग रेस्ट, रिलैक्सिंग, टेकिंग रेस्ट. अगर हम आराम बहुत थके हुए, वी आर वेरी टायर्ड, and if we take rest, then we are able to regain our energy. Yes, only by sleeping. Don't think आप बहुत थके हो और if you start eating and eating, then can you get energy? No, you need to sleep, you need to take rest. So here the poet, and not only this, but at night, late at night, the whole world is at peace. What do you mean by peace? End of a trouble, end of a trouble. Peace, P-E-A-C. Peace means end of a trouble, trouble or difficulties, or difficulty, और डिफिकल्टीज. एंड ऑफ किसी परेशानी का या किसी दुविधा का अंत कब होता है बेटा? रात को अंधेरे में, जब हम सो जाते हैं, नो टेंशन, क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में, नथिंग, द होल वर्ल्ड इज एट पीस, पूरी दुनिया सो रही होती है. फाइन, यस. सो रस्किन बॉन्ड द पोएट, he is asking the children not to be afraid of the dark. Don't be afraid of the dark. The dark is friendlier than the night is friendlier than the day. दिन से अच्छा तो रात होता है बेटा, राइट ना? आई होप यू एग्री, मेरी बात से आप सहमत होंगे कि दिन से अच्छा तो रात होता है. अगर बहुत सारे बच्चे यही सोचते हैं कि अगर अंधेरा रहता तो हमें स्कूल नहीं जाना पड़ता, हम आराम से सोते, राइट? यस. Can you hear? Can you hear me, students? Yes, yeah. So here the poet, he is asking, he is informing or explaining, trying to explain the children that children, students, don't be afraid of the dark. Make friends with the dark. Be friends, make a friendship, have a friendship with the night, so that you can sleep well. Okay. The sun, the earth must take rest. The earth must take rest when the day is over. When the whole day is over, not only the earth, all the creatures must take rest and sleep peacefully. The sun is very harsh, but the moonlight never. The sun here in this poem is pointing to the sunlight, sun rays. That sun rays is very hard. It makes our body tired. It makes our body tired, but the moonlight never. Okay. Not only this, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Means here the stars, those who are shining in the sky, will give us light and hope forever and ever. Okay. Be friends with the dark. Don't need to be afraid with the dark. Okay. Not only this. Okay. And other thing is that when you are at night, when you are sleeping, don't think about the dark or darkness. Think about your friends far and near, And students, I hope while sleeping you dream. Yes, आप सपने देखते हो सोते हुए. Yes, अच्छे सपने, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे सपने देखते हो, so you can sleep well and take rest properly. So this is the explanation of the poem. The poem is over here. The main thing is that don't be afraid of the dark, and it is very important for the night to come. रात का आना, अंधेरे का आना भी बड़ा आवश्यक होता है. This is the only matter point here. So the main thing is that हमें दादी नाना नानी our grandparents ना they have told us many stories. अंधेरे से related हम लोगों को कहानियां सुनाते थे, इसलिए हम अंधेरे से डर जाते हैं. यस, रात को ये होता है, रात को शियार और फॉक्स वगैरह आते हैं. यस, इस तरीके का वर्ड यूज करते हैं हमारी जो दादा है दादी है. यस, तो बच्चे इसलिए डर जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे रस्किन बॉन्ड कवि ने एक कविता लिखी है जिसमें उन्होंने रात का जिक्र किया है. उन्होंने ये कहा है कि बच्चों रात से डरना नहीं चाहिए. दिन ढलने के बाद रात का आना आवश्यक होता है ताकि सारी पृथ्वी यानी कि सारे लोग आराम कर सकें. यस, बेटा अंधेरा नहीं होगा, रात नहीं होगी, आप सोओगे कब? आप सोओगे नहीं. अगर आप नहीं सोते हो देन योर हेल्थ विल बिकम वीक. आपका स्वास्थ्य जो है वो खराब हो जाएगा, बीमार पड़ सकते हैं. यस, सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द नाइट टू कम. सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ द डार्क. बहुत सारे बच्चे होंगे, अगर मम्मी कोई काम कहती है कि बेटा वो सामान लेके आना, आप अंधेरे के कारण बोलते हो नहीं मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, मुझे डर लग रहा है. सो अंधेरे से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ द डार्क. Make friendship with the dark and sleep well. Have a nice sleep. So this is the point. Now let us discuss, students. Let us discuss about the new words, word meaning. I will send you today. I am going to send you the word meaning today. But before that, let me discuss in the class the word meaning of. Let us discuss the word meaning. Students, look carefully. What is the first word? What is the first word? Afraid. What is the first word? Afraid. Now let us see. What do you mean by afraid? Afraid means feeling fear. Feeling fear. डरना या भयभीत होना. हमें अंधेरे से भयभीत होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now let us see. What do you mean by dark? Dark means having no light. अंधेरा. Fine. Now what do you mean by rest? Rest means to relax. To relax. आराम करना. Fine. Harsh. What do you mean by harsh? Harsh means rough or cruel. यानी कठोर या निर्दयी. कठोर या निर्दयी होना. Fine. Now what do you mean by forever? Forever means always. Forever means always. Now look here, students. Forever. Students, we are discussing the exercise. New words की हम बात कर रहे हैं. What do you mean by afraid? What is the next word? Students, look here. The next word is that dark. What do you mean by dark? Dark means having no light. Having no light. यानी कि अंधेरा. Now let us see the next word. Can you hear me, students? For confirmation, I am asking. आवाज आ रही है? Can you hear me? Show me your thumb. Okay, thank you. Now let us see. The next thing is rest. What do you mean by rest? Rest means to relax. To relax. Next, what do you mean by harsh? Harsh. Look here, harsh. Harsh means cruel. Cruel or rough. Cruel or rough. Now next word is that forever. What do you mean by forever? Forever it means always. Forever means always. Okay. Now let us see the next one. What do you mean by trouble? Troubles means difficulty. Trouble means difficulty. Okay, fine. Now let us discuss the other words, students. Look here. These are the word meanings which we have to discuss. Now see, what do you mean by next? Cease. Cease means coming to an end. Cease, to come to an end. To come to an end. To an end. See the next one. Next word is thought. Next word is thoughts. What do you mean by thoughts? Thoughts means opinion. Thoughts means opinion. Okay, students, now look at the word. These are the word meaning of the chapter number 9, which I am going to send you today along with the question and answer. I will send you along with the question and answer. Now let us discuss about the poem. About the poem. Poem हमने पढ़ लिया है. What is the poem about? Poem किस बारे में है? The first question is that what is the poem about? The poem is about fear of darkness. The poem is about the fear of darkness and how to overcome that fear. ये कविता अंधेरे पर, डर पर, अंधेरे की डर पर निर्धारित है और इस डर को हमें कैसे ओवरकम करना है या इससे हमें कैसे बाहर निकलना है. So the poem is about what? Fear of darkness and how to overcome it. Okay. Now let us see the second one. What happens when the day is over? What happened when the day is over? Students, आप बता सकते हो what will happen when the day is over? Here, when the day is over, the moon and the stars shine in the night. Means at night, the nights come. When the day is over, the nights come, the moon and the stars start shining in the sky. Yes? Okay. Now let us see what does the earth do when the day is over? What does the earth, पृथ्वी क्या करती है जब दिन ढल जाता है, अंधेरा हो जाता है? The earth take rest. The earth take rest. Yes. Now let us see what does the poet want us to do at night? At night, रात को poet हमें क्या करने के लिए कह रहा है? At night, the poet want us to sleep and think about our friends far and near. Think about our friends at night. Yes. कवि हमसे ये कह रहा है कि जब अंधेरा हो जाए, आप सोने के लिए जब जाते हो, when you are going for a sleep, you think about your friends. Think about your friends, those who are far and near. Far and near. Okay, now let us see. Now let us do question number 5. Are these sentences true or false? Now we are going to do the exercises. Be ready, students. Take a marker and a rough page. Everybody, students, take a marker and rough page. You have to tell me the answer, whether the given answer is true or false. Now, look side, and I am on page number. I am on page number 75. Page number 75. Students, page number 75 exercises. Question number 5. Question number 5. Are these sentences? Are these sentences true or false? Are these sentences true or false? This is the question. Now let us see. Number A. The poet tells the child to be afraid. To be afraid when it is dark. Number B, the poet says that stars will always shine at night. Now see question number C. Okay, I think it's not visible. Now everybody write your answer on one page. Look the first question. The poet, look at the first question, students. The poet tell us to be afraid when it is dark. It is true or false? The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. False है या true है? Come on, tell me your answer, please. Write on one page. एक पेज पे लिख के दिखाओ. Write on one page and show me. Show me, everybody. Write on one page and show me, please. It is true or false? Ayush Singh, come on, very good. Yes. Come on, show me your answer, please. Everybody, show me your answer. It is false. It is false. Ayush Singh, false. It is false. It's not true. It is false. It is false. The first question, it is false. Look here, students. The first question, it is false. Here, The poet tells the child to be afraid of the dark. No, the poet is saying, children, don't be afraid of the dark. वो डरने के लिए नहीं कह रहा है, वो ये कह रहा है कि मत डरो. यहाँ पे लिखा है, कवि ने बच्चे से ये कहा कि जब अंधेरा होता है तो आप डरो अंधेरे से. Then it is false. Now let us see the second question. The poet says that the stars will always shine at night. The poet says that the star will always shine at night. Is it true or false? Write your answer. Write your answer and show me. The poet says that the star will always shine at night. It is true. Come on, show me your answer, please. Students, show me your answer. Show me your answer. Come on, hurry up, students. Show me your answer. कवि ने ये कहा कि चांद तारे हमेशा चमकते रहेंगे. True or false? True. Very good. It's true. One answer I have got from Anshit Gupta. Very good. True. True. Now let us see the next question. Now let us see the next question. Keep on writing. Now let us see number C. Students, look at number C. It is written here that the poet tells the child. The poet tells the child to think of friends. To think of friends after it is dark. Now student, tell me whether it is true or false. क्या ये true है या false है? क्या ये सही कथन है या गलत है? The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. अंधेरा हो जाए तो आप अपने दोस्तों के बारे में सोचो, अपने दोस्तों के बारे में think about your friends. True or false? Come on, tell me your answer, please. Show me your answer. True. Very good. It's true. Yes, it's true. True. Students, very good. Now, let us do some more question. Let us do some more. This one is clear? Students, show me your thumb if it is clear. ये 3 question अभी हमने किया. It is clear? Everybody? Thank you very much, students. Now, let us see with the next question on same page, that is page number 75. That is page number 75. Now, look at the next question, students. Here, word building. Word building. Now, look at this question, word building. Moon plus light. Next is good plus night. Next is water plus fall. Next is break plus fast. Next is day plus break. Next is rain plus bow. Students, I hope you can see the questions here. Word building, it is very easy. How many of you can do? कितने बच्चे ये कर सकते हैं? Now can you show me your thumb? अगर आप कर सकते हो तो आप, yes, you can do. Very good. First one, moon and light. Students, इस तरीके के वर्ड को हम क्या कहते हैं? कंपाउंड बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? कंपाउंड. Look here, students, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ what is compound. This is what? ये आपका बर्तन है, vessels. Okay, what is this? Now put here water. Put here water. Again, put here sugar. Now put here lemon. Now put here salt. अब ये क्या बन गया बेटा? ग्लूकोज. क्या बन गया? ग्लूकोज. यस. क्या बन गया बेटा? ये ग्लूकोज. यस. देन व्हाट इज ग्लूकोज? ग्लूकोज इज द कंपाउंड ऑफ सॉल्ट, लेमन, शुगर एंड वाटर. यानी कि ग्लूकोज जो है किस मिक्सचर से बना हुआ है? कंपाउंड से. वाटर, शुगर, लेमन, सॉल्ट. ओके, मींस कंपाउंड का मतलब होता है बेटा 2-3 शब्दों से मिला के अगर कोई एक शब्द बनता है तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? कंपाउंड नाउन. क्या बोलते हैं हम बेटा? कंपाउंड नाउन. चैप्टर नंबर 7 में, ग्रामर में, इन ग्रामर चैप्टर नंबर 7 हम आपको इस बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? दिस आर कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस आर, अंशिका, look carefully. Anshika, don't play. Anshika Sigya, don't play. Don't play, students. Now look here. Make word moon and plus light. Moonlight. Come on, बोलिए बेटा. Now good plus night. Good night. Everybody speak. Good plus night. Good night. Water plus fall. Waterfall. Break plus first. Breakfast. Breakfast. Day plus break. Daybreak. And rain plus bow. Rainbow. It is clear, students? Everybody clear? Students, clear? Show me your thumb if it is clear, students. Come on, hurry up. Don't waste time. Fine. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, let us see the next question. Let us see the next question. That is, find a word in the poem which is opposite. Now, let us see the opposite word. Let us see the opposite word. Students, look at the board. Now, let us find out the opposite of the questions given here. Find the word from the poem. The question is that find a word. Find a word that is opposite. That is the opposite of number 1, that is war. Number 2, that is light. Number 3, it is enemies. Number 4, it is night. Number 5, it is gentle. Number 6, it is start. Now, from the poem, find it out from the poem. Poem में से हमें ढूंढ के निकालना है word opposite meaning, not word meaning, but opposite meaning. Now, look carefully, students. Write down war, peace. War, peace. Light, dark. Light, start. Says means to comes to an end. To comes to an end. Look at the board, students. ध्यान से देखिएगा. Everybody, students, look here. Find a word that is opposite. From the poem we have to find. कविता में से हमें वो शब्द निकालना है जो इसके विलोम शब्द. Opposite. Do you know opposite? Boy, girl. Father, mother. Opposite. Okay. Now look here. War, peace. Light, dark. Enemies, friends. Night, day. Gentle, hard. Start. किसी चीज का अंत होना. ओके, आवाज आ रही है? यस. तो सीज फायर का मतलब होता है अंत. टू कम टू एन एंड. टू कम टू एन एंड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द टाइम इज ओवर. टाइम ओवर होने वाला है बेटा.